So I just got this. This is a Rybozen digital vocal mixer with dual wireless microphones. Clear and pristine sound quality. All right, well, let's see what it is. What's this here? Not happy. All right, so this is information in case you're having problems. Put that over there. Oh, there we go. We may need that. Let's take a look at it all. All right, here's the mic. Oh, there you go. Check it out. It's wireless. Put that there. All right, here it is. Check it out. Mic 1, mic 2. Okay. And there's this. These are cords. I thought it was wireless. Oh. So you've got your standard RCA setup. Then you've got your USB to USB-C. You've got a block with this, which you usually don't get blocks. Then you've got another like RCA setup. And here's this block. Well, that's nice. We got a block. That's good. And I think we got batteries too. Bam, done. I'm imagining that the batteries go in here, so I'm going to unscrew this. Oh, look at that. I figured it out right off the bat. So you want to go negative here, positive up. That one is in. And negative there, positive up. And then just screw it back in. So the blue's good. We got blue. Now we got to do red. All right, let's get them. Shove them in. Boom and zaboom. That was easy, huh? All right, so these are now ready to rock. So we've got power here. We should see something light up there. Test, test, test. Of course, I think we need like a speaker to hook it into. Turn it off, you hit that. Yeah. Let's try this one. Hit it. Power on. You got to hold your finger on it. And if you see it, look, it tells you that the battery looks good. And then this is a set, and it's kind of telling me some information in there. I'm not quite sure what it's telling me, but it is. So we have to read the instructions. And then here is this is your system. You got your music, and then you've got tone and echo and whatever that is, mic 1 and mic 2. So this is where we would hook this up to a speaker, and that's what all this is. You know, you plug it into some type of system, and then the music comes through it. So I gotta figure that out. But right now, that's it for now. That's the unboxing. I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna press and hold it, and then I'll find some speakers and we'll hook it up and try it out and see what we think. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.